Professional traders are professional gamblers. This statement is true. If you gamble, you will lose money. Both traders and gamblers, they sit on the same boat. They travel the same path. They both have the same strategy. But see, if you have been trading for a long time, if you are a member of an established trading community, you would definitely say trading is not gambling. But just as I said, the statement, the professional traders are professional gamblers, this is also true. So if this is true, why do people say trading is not gambling? What exactly separates gambling from trading? Trading and gambling may be construed as one. They both travel the same path. They both have the same strategy. But there is a twist. Fundamentally, they are pretty different. In this video, we'll discuss how you can just be on the edge of the cliff that separates you from a gambler and puts you on a trader's seat. But there is a thin line. One wrong step. Don't make this mistake. Stay tuned till the end. Like and subscribe this channel right away so this video can reach a lot of people. But for the general public, gambling has got many negative feelings. When we term gamble or gambling, we instantly think of a picture where a person takes huge amount of risk, put in all his money and loses it all. Even the money that is crucial for his basic survival. Now this is exactly where a trader differs from the gambler. A cold and a focused mindset. This is exactly what separates a gambler from a professional trader. Trading can be gambling, but what clearly segregates gambling from trading is the clear distinction between amateur and professional gambling. You see, compulsive gamblers, they are addicted to gambling. They are gamblers in real term. They gamble to get a rush and feel of the euphoria. They have absolutely no discipline. Absolutely zero. Obviously, trading in the stock market is no place for a compulsive trader or a compulsive gambler. But there is a big difference between compulsive gambling and a professional gambling, as both these type of people are polar opposite, absolutely on the other end. As for professional gamblers and professional traders, both of them take risk and manage them carefully. They only look for high probable trade setups and only when they see it for certain, they take a position on it. Whereas on the other hand, amateur gamblers or compulsive gamblers, they just gamble for the sheer excitement. They are interested only in the enjoyment and the entertainment. They budget a fixed amount of money for gambling and they just throw it away for luck. They do it just for sheer thrill and fun. Well, in the stock market, if you have some money to burn, it's okay if you have this kind of an attitude. That's fine. You can simply throw that money out to get the sheer thrill of the experience, the sheer thrill in this experience. That's fine, absolutely. But for most of us, we come into the stock market, we come into the investing world to make money. We are not here to throw away our money. We are not in for that. If you have this compulsive mindset, it will deplete our accounts very fast. If you're serious about trading professionally, changing this mindset is very vital. You may enjoy the trading, you may enjoy the thrill in trading, but to make profits, you have to build winning trading skills. Build careful risk management strategies. Have discipline. Control your emotions. And then execute your trades when you're in a peak performance state. So how is stock trading not a gambling? See, successful traders, they follow a consistent strategy for wealth generation. This is exactly what separates professional trading from gambling. Understand some of these fine prints that will tell you why trading is not a gambling. Study the facts and the figures. Do an in-depth study of the companies where you are investing in. Do a good research and then put in your money. Understand the financial aspects. Understand the financial statement, the growth aspects of the company, the ratio analysis, the market price trends, the charts, and all the other factors that are essential for trading. And you know what? A gambler doesn't have these factual information. A gambler takes a decision based on what he or she feels. The second most important point is the stock exchange versus the gambling casinos. A stock exchange is monitored. A stock exchange is a reputed organization that enables traders to make trades in exchange of authentic information, and they help traders to conduct trades with minimal charges. Whereas in contrast, the casinos, they are very, very interesting places. They are interested to see that the gamblers, they don't make enough money to bring the wealth of the casino down. The game plans, the games are rigged in a way that the casino always gets to win, or at least they make the maximum profit out of a transaction. Number 3, a greater control over the outcome. Well, gambling is a game of chances, whereas trading is a well-researched, disciplined approach to executing a professional trade. In trading, you can plan a trade and then trade the plan to consistently make profits out of it. No such plan works in gambling. Nothing. And the major difference is quick profits versus very slow profits. Gambling gives you quick profits, whereas in the stock market, it gives you slow profits. Trading involves patience, waiting, skill, calculation, whereas in gambling, you just throw in your money and expect what you are planning to get. See, excitement, social proofing, and emotions can drive people into trading. They can also drive people into gambling, but they are invariably very, very different. Gambling is a game of chance, and the risk of losing your money is very, very high. Whereas on the other hand, trading with control, with proper risk management and proper knowledge, can reap a trader with higher returns over a longer period of time. And see, if you just wander around without a plan, without a strategy, you will keep going around in circles with no success. But if you have the patience and perseverance, if you take proper risk control, proper measures, and then attack again, nothing can outrun you. Yes, sometimes you will miss. Stop. Recheck your strategy to perfection. then try again. In the end, you will be rewarded for your calculated bet. That was not a gambling, a well-calculated strategy, a well-planned strategy that gave the cheetah its gains. And this is what creates a huge gap between a trader and a gambler. That's all for today. See you again in the next video. Till then, SG signing off. Goodbye.